Welcome to the Comm Systems channel. In today's episode, we're focusing on access control in commercial buildings, and how simplifying it can transform both security and convenience. Commercial spaces, from office towers to warehouses, see hundreds of people coming and going daily. Traditional keys can get lost, copied, or misused, leaving businesses vulnerable. Modern access control systems solve this problem by replacing outdated methods with secure, streamlined solutions. With card readers, key fobs, mobile credentials, or biometric scanners, businesses can control who enters their buildings and when. Tenants and employees enjoy hassle-free entry, while unauthorized visitors are kept out. Better yet, these systems create a digital log of every entry and exit, giving managers complete oversight of building activity. Simplified access control also integrates with other security systems, like video surveillance and intercoms, creating a layered defense. For example, if someone tries to enter outside authorized hours, the system can trigger an alert and link directly to camera footage for verification. Even visitor management becomes easier. Guests can be issued temporary access codes or QR passes, reducing the burden on front desk staff while keeping the building secure. By simplifying access control, commercial buildings not only strengthen security but also improve efficiency, convenience, and tenant satisfaction. It's about making security smarter, not harder. At Comm Systems, we design and install customized access control solutions that simplify security for property managers, business owners, and tenants alike. Thank you for watching the Comm Systems channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more information, call us at 888-501-5885 or visit us online at www.dvcsny.com.